Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim the index milestones rewards in Fish It Roblox. So if you already filling up your index but missing out on the free rewards, here I'm going to show you exactly how you can claim your index milestone rewards in Fish It. So in the new Valentine's update, there is this index milestones rewards, so you can earn rewards by completing 20%, 50, 75, and also 100% of each island's index. And to find those rewards, you can just simply go to your fish index in here, click on the fish icon at the top, and you'll see the mastery options. So this is where you can find your rewards. So I've already completed 75% of the index, and I'm still trying to unlock more. And at the end, you'll get the ruin key as the rewards. And this will open a new area inside the esoteric depths. So that's how you can claim the index milestone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.